Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and yet with another case review. I have two cases that I always wanted to check out, and it comes to us from X-Doria. I know you guys probably seen this at Walmart. This is the Defense Shield. This is the Defense Air for your iPhone 11 Pro Max. So let's start the video, show you what I'm talking about. Alright guys, so here we have the Defense Air and the Defense Shield from X-Doria for your iPhone 11 Pro Max, as you guys can see from the bottom. I actually went to CES and I actually went to their booth and I talked to them, and I definitely let them know that I really wanted to try their cases. I have so many cases that I don't really have to buy them, but sometimes you want to buy them but then you don't want to buy them because you could just ask. So I'm definitely checking this out. So let's start off with the Defense Air, which it looks like a clear case. So if you guys want to pause this and read it for yourself, you definitely can. Nice packaging, definitely legit. So let's pull out a little Miggy. Let's just pop this baby open and see what it looks like. Alright, Defense. Now, I've seen these all over Walmart and I always wanted to try them. So this looks like a really sturdy TPU case, as you guys can see from here. This thing is not budging at all. So it does have a limited lifetime warranty. X-Doria offers a limited lifetime warranty on this product. For detailed information, hit up their warranty guide, which is pretty cool. Alright, so this is a one-part case. You see how sturdy this is? This is pretty insane. Okay, so on the side it says X-Doria. Alright. Defense on the other side. We've got a nice little plastic here. Definitely something different. They have it on the top and the bottom. So basically what that does is that it adds an extra layer of protection. Definitely when you lay it flat or if you try to drop it flat. But it does have those little dots there. So it's not a clear back, but they usually put those dots there so it doesn't yellow for some reason. I'm not sure if that worked because I always change cases, but let me know down in the comments below. Alright, so let's just put it inside the actual phone itself. See how the process is. Holy crap, suck the air out of this. Alright, so as you can see from the back, definitely showcases the phone pretty well. As far as the bottom, all the cutouts look absolutely perfect. I definitely see a difference here. So basically what they do with the speaker here is that it channels through that port here. So you're basically getting front facing speakers, which is pretty dope. So you have one in the earpiece and one on the bottom now. As far as the lip action, very minimal, but it's definitely there, as you guys can see. Definitely something beautiful here. And as far as the volume, a little bit mushy, not that clicky at all, but it's definitely there. And it does have these small little ridges, like these little circle bumps. See these little circle things here to help you distinguish where the buttons is, so you don't have to go searching for it. As far as the mute toggle switch, definitely on point as well. Definitely loving that. Lip action for the camera, looking pretty good as well. Very high quality clear case. I could definitely admit that. Looks like there's some type of manufacturing issue there. I don't really feel the plastic. One thing I could say is that this is kind of soft too. It's not really that tough. It's kind of soft, but in the hand definitely feels grippy. This is definitely a case that I really probably will be using because I like the way that it channels through the front. Power button also has that same little circle in there. I don't know if you guys could see it right over there. Well, it's there. It's there. The focusing is not there, but it's there. Alright, so let me know what you guys think about this case. This is how it looks from the side. Go nice and slow. Alright, so you guys could take a look at it. I'm going to manual focus. Seems like this thing's not playing with me today. Alright, so this is what the case looks like. I'll go a little slower so you guys can see every single detail. And the front. Alright, so on to the next case. Turn the autofocus off. Back on. Alright, so this is the X-Doria Defense Air. Alright, so let's put that to the side. Defense Air. I will have a link down below to both of these if you guys want to purchase it. This looks pretty familiar. Basically, it looks like case that I have reviewed before. But check out the packaging itself. You do have a lot of information here. Shield from metal strength. Defense series cases are reinforced by a machine aluminum alloy to provide incredible strength and protection in a lightweight form. Alright, so if you guys want to pause this and read it for yourself, you definitely can. I just read up top, so because the camera angle is really not that great. Alright, so see how you pop this open. So you got this flap. See how you pull the case out. Okay, so open. Alright, so you open that one. Okay, so let's just do it the old style. Hit it from the bottom with a little niggy. Alright. Here you go. Okay, so one thing about these colors. Whenever I see colors like this, it reminds me of the Suicide Squad movie. I really like this color combination. I have seen it on the Schnell cases as well. This one is a lot more vibrant and brighter, but it's pretty cool. So this looks like a one-part case, which is something that's a little bit different from the Schnell cases. Defense shield right over there, designed in Santa Monica. Right there. Really like this case so far. Alright, so let's just pop this baby open and pop this baby in, see what it looks like. Alright, it does have a tight grip on it. Okay, but that's about it. Let me know what you guys think about this. Does that colorway go with the wintergreen iPhone 11 Pro Max? I think it does just a bit. Really flashy, guys. So if you guys have some type of sneakers or like a hoodie or hat that will match with this, this is definitely a great combination to color coordinate with your outfit. But it's pretty dope. I really like this case as well. They definitely make some good cases. This case I pretty much like a little bit better because it's more thinner and it's not that bulky, but it does have that same dimple right over there on both sides for the volume up and down. Let's check out the clickiness. Not super clicky, but you could definitely feel that it's tactile. There, put it next to the mic. Alright, so you guys let me know what you guys think about the X-Doria Defense Shield and the X-Doria Defense Air. Big shout out to them for actually sending this out to me. I definitely wanted to actually check out their case for a while. So if you guys like this video, hit it with a thumbs up. And follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of iPhone 11 Pro Max cases and Defense X-Doria cases as well. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. I really like this one.